choosing Texas, I can tell.
Hey, I'll be right back.
Love with Tennessee.